Hi everybody. Today we are going to discuss about the fundamentals of wireless communication. So in that we are going to discuss the cellular concept and the frequency reuse, because we know the frequency reuse is very important in the cellular technologies. So in this is our main architecture of cellular network. So we have the cell site 1 and cell site 2. So the base station to the MTSC, that is a mobile telephonic switching center, we can interlink. So the every cell site is interlinked with the MTSC. So the MTSC is having the home location register, visitor location register available. So this everything is interlinked with the PSTN. So the PSTN is a common backbone of the telephonic network systems, both wire and wireless. So the PSTN is interlinked with the MTSC, and the MTSC is interlinked with the cellular 1 and cellular 2 concepts. So what's the principles of cellular network is underlying the technology of mobile phones. The personal communication system, wireless networking are main thing are used in the cell phone technologies. Where are they replace the high power transmission receiving antenna, and then the typical support for the 25 channels more than 80 kilometers, over the 80 kilometers. These are the main coverage things in the cellular technologies. So we have the cellular architecture, we have the subscriber identity model, SIM we have. So mobile equipment is nothing but our handset is a mobile equipment. So the SIM is inserted in the mobile phone. So base station, BTS is available, base transceiver stations. So BTS is interlinked with the BTS overall stations. Okay, that BTS is interlinked with the mobile service switching center, MSC, the mobile service switching center. Every mobile switching service center is interlinked with the PSTN. So the mobile switching service center we can interlink with the home location register, visitor location register, equipment identity register, and then authentication center. These are all the main thing. The entire cellular architecture is classified into three. That is a mobile station, base station subsystem, and a network subsystem. So this is the main architecture of the cellular networks. So the cellular organization, we have the multiple of low power transmission, that is 100 watts or less than we can use for the transmission purpose. The area divided into cells. Why it is divided into cells? For the coverage purpose, we can divide into cells. Each one having the own antenna, each with own range of frequencies. So each cell site having the own range of frequency. So with the help of the own range of frequency, we can interconnect with the cellular sites. Okay. Served by the base station, that's a transmitter, receiver, and a control unit. With this three help of, we can interconnect the networks. So adjacent cells also and different frequencies to avoid the crosstalks, because the nearest cell site having the same frequency means it will be caused by some crosstalks. So we can eliminate. We can use the different types of frequency or different set of frequency we can use. So this is shape of the cellular networks. So the square type means we can that is a transmission range. So we can use the square. The cellular geometrics, we can hexagon type we can using. So each hexagon is the cellular node. Cellular node in the sense like a cell site. So cell site having in the hexagon type. So it provides the equipments, antennas, and the radius defined as the radius circumcircle, and the distance from the center to vertex equals length of the side. So center we can transmit, we can give the more coverage to all the areas. So these are the main important thing in the cellular geometric. So frequency reuse. Why we frequency reuse in the sense the unused frequencies. The frequency reusing is the concept of using the same radio frequency within the given area. So within the given area we can reuse, that is unused frequencies we can reuse. So this is the main thing. So and then they separated by the considerable the distance. So distance and the minimal interference, and establish the communication. These are the main things of the frequency reuse technologies. So what are the benefits of frequency reuse in the sense? Allow the communication within the cellular given frequency. That is limits escaping power to the adjustment cells. That allows to reuse the frequencies nearby cells. This is the main thing. And then uses the same frequencies to the multiple convergence, and then 10 to 15 frequencies per cellular we can easily reuse. So these are the main thing. So this is some techniques we are involved in the frequency reusing technologies. So 10 to 15 frequencies cellular we can use. So this is all the frequency. We have this several type of colors and several type of radius coverage area. So we can connect. So how the frequency reuse, how they call it, in the sense with the help of the center of the cellular technique, we can the distance will be meet. So reuse the frequency distance, so it will automatically we can reuse the cellular frequency technologies. So thank you.